All right, everybody. Me and Jose out running cameras, baby. Got the LPRs going. Out here doing the repo man thing. So make that payment. If not, Jose's coming for you, and I'm gonna be right there to film it. Everybody be safe. We're gonna get us some cars.
I'm looking on that side because sometimes I'll catch them from over here. Right there it goes.
That's not what we're looking for, though. Aye. Oh,
That was it.
Is that a good one?
Yeah, I told you it was it.
That's our car?
Yeah.
We're going to get it?
Yeah. I told you, now we got to go all the way around.
Yeah, what? We got one on the ready to go hook. Look at this mess.
You see, it caught it just like that.
This should be an easy one. It's backed in so they don't think people see the license plate.
3718.
3718.
See that little red one?
It's that little red turd.
Yep.
All right. We're going to stop at the store when we leave here. I'm going to get a bottle of water. I'm going to 3718. This is our ride. Jose's getting ready to pop this bad boy. Dude, I don't know anybody that runs an autoloader better than Jose. I've been working with Jose for a very long time. Oh, back it up. I think the e-brake's on. E-brake's on. E-brake's not on. Thank you for leaving the car unlocked. That was dope. That was pretty nice.
I was
yeah. Give it out, Jose. Give us a little bit. Leave the door unlocked for the repo man.
I felt the e-brake. That's how I was like, I started slowing down right there.
Dude, that was awesome. Thank you so much, Bat and Stupid Deader. We appreciate when you leave the door unlocked so we didn't have to take the time to break into it. But hey, I make the best tool, and Jose's faster at breaking in cars than I am. But he does it every day. I only do it when I do videos. Say what up, Jose? Who's your good luck charm?
I guess you.
You cracker from another, your cracker brother from another mother. Every time I ride with this guy, he gets at least 3 cars.
At least.
So.
Well, the last time you left, we had 3 cars. We could have gotten more.
Yeah, fuck, it was, why did I go? It just started raining sideways or something, didn't it?
Yeah, and it was already like 3 or something like that.
Yeah, so I love robbing my boy Jose. I'm his white good luck charm. He bring all of his Spanish brothers out, he don't get shit. He bring his cracker ass friend. We get some cars.